with investing in high quality solar, there's a lower risk. So we look at that as a business. Plus we look at that, I guess, for the customer. We don't want them to have any problems or have any regrets in buying a lower grade product. So generally if you buy a high quality product, it does cost a little bit more, but you have that peace of mind, and generally they come with a longer warranty because they're built more robust. The company that sells them will back them higher because they believe they're going to last longer, and they've done a lot of testing around that to substantiate that. I guess the products is only as good as they're installed. You want a qualified technician and someone with an experience and takes care. We take a lot of care in our installs. We want to make sure they look nice, they perform well. It's a full end-to-end process for us. We don't want to just do half the job. So the product warranty is the main warranty we look at. So that covers everything down from the power output to the connectors to the glass, the back sheets, everything. So you're getting that peace of mind. So you're providing not just the brand, but you're providing buying kilowatt hours or something that's going to generate more renewable energy over a longer period of time. So you're getting a greater return on investment. That's the thing you mainly notice after the installation is how well the panels perform, and then you start to see the savings roll in. So that's something you see after the installation. Yeah, it certainly pays to invest a little bit more. It could take 1 or 2 years to recoup your money, but once it's installed and you've recouped that money, you're miles ahead, particularly long term. That's when you start to really make the benefits.